Here's how you can change the default home screen smart launcher or system launcher for your Redmi Note 13 phone or the 13 Pro phone. So if you've installed another launcher on your phone, you'll go into the main settings by tapping here. Then you want to go down to the part that says apps. So you're looking for apps, this option here. Tap on that one time. Then you'll see these three dots at the top right there. You'll go to other settings. Then under there, you'll see default apps. Once you enter here, you're going to see the different default apps. Go to launcher. And if you have one that's compatible with your phone, you can choose the other one. And also keep in mind that switching to a new launcher will basically just change the entire layout of your phone. You'll have to go through the prompts and set it up. And yes, you can come back and switch it back to whatever you had before. And if this guide helped you in any way, like and sub.